Hi, this is Mila, and let's do another Mini Brands Create garden. And I really hope it's not a bonsai tree at this point. This ball is much lighter, like it feels much lighter. And I don't think with whatever cactus it is that it can be the bonsai tree. Or at least I'm very much crossing my fingers, because otherwise that'll be very anticlimactic and I don't have any more ideas what to do with it. But yeah, the bonsai tree is way easier than the flowers. You just kind of stick it in the correct spot and then add water. And I do have the little bottle from last time, just in case I do need to use water. This way I don't need to open the new bottle. Not that I know whether I need or not water this time, but okay. Is it just me, or sometimes like the balls from older series take longer to open? There we go. Just slipped right off. Not the bonsai tree, not the bonsai tree, not the bonsai tree. Say it with me. Not the bonsai tree. Oh my goodness, it looks like the bonsai tree. It looks big like the bonsai tree. Please don't let it be the bonsai tree. Okay, let's look. If it's the bonsai tree, I could do a draw or something. And it is... Yes! I love it. It's the big one, I think. No, it looks different. Oh, it's this one. It's this one. Oh, that looks really cute. Okay, I just hope it's not one of those just stick it in and that's it. I thought it was a terrarium, but no, it's not. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we do get our regular itty bitty cactus. Come on. Come on, itty bitty cactus. And, okay, that one is insert and done. I guess that one is it. Let's do the big one. Ooh. Okay, this one looks nice. And okay, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, quite a bunch of stuff. That actually kind of looks like the other plant over there. And I think that looks like the plant that I got with the with the vase that I didn't do on camera. Interesting. Okay, well, let's just pop it in. Okay, let's just pop it in nicely and then go from there. Now, what do they say to do? Let's look at the instructions. Oh, you just pop it in. Okay. Well, that's not going to be very creative, just popping it in. That's okay. I mean, I've been creative with other ones, I guess. I do wish I had a chance. Like, I love the botanical series, and that one, it's like a part 1, 2, 3, because it was very long, because there was quite a lot to make. And that one was very cool. Where does this one go? This one goes on the side. So I guess if you're able to recognize shapes, this will not be a challenge. Okay, and I'll assemble this one just so I don't... There we go. So I don't knock something off, but it does look beautiful, I won't lie. It does look quite adorable. Ta-da! It is all done. And it does look kind of cute. Okay, I'm loving it. Oh, wait. You can see the stalk of this cactus. I guess I didn't shove it in hard enough. Okay, just go in. Yes, shoved in properly. Okay, let's open it a bit on this side as well. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Somewhat more than I did. At least in the other one I got to put some water. So difficulty-wise, way easier than the other one. I guess the series as a whole is easier if there's no water. It's just like an assembly thing. Oh well, maybe the next one. I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!